Hi, welcome to Stories That Inspire. Today I bring to you a very interesting story. So, long time ago in a jungle there lived a woodcutter, and in that woodcutter's house there lived a mouse. So, let's say that the mouse name is Musulman, right? Now one night what happened, the mouse saw that the woodcutter has brought a mouse trap, and he got scared that, oh my god, he has brought a mouse trap, I'll get killed. So he ran to his one of the best friends, that is Chicken. And he went and said, Chicken bhai, the woodcutter has brought a mouse trap. What should I do? And the chicken said, well, my dear friend, the mouse trap has been brought to kill you. It's your problem, not my problem. You have to take care of it. Mouse was not so happy. His very good friend Chicken had ditched him. So he went to his next best friend, the pig. He said, Pig, the woodcutter has brought a mouse trap. What should I do? What should I do? The pig said, oh my dear friend Mouse, it's a mouse trap. You are supposed to get killed. How am I supposed to help you? You have to take care of yourself, my friend. I cannot help you. This time, the mouse was very sad. He's one of his best friend at distance. Nobody is helping him. So he went to his last resort, the bull. And he went to the bull and said, Bull Dada, please help me out. The woodcutter has brought a mouse trap. What should I do? And the bull Dada with his baritone voice said, my dear friend Mouse, at least this time I cannot help you. It's a mouse trap. You're supposed to get killed. How can I help you? So the mouse became very sad and went to the woodcutter's house, and he knew this is the last night of his what to do anymore. That night, late in the night, there was a huge sound. The woodcutter wife got up thinking that the mouse has got caught, and she went and she saw, oh, it's not a mouse. There's a snake that got caught in the mouse trap, and the snake bit the wife, and the wife fell seriously sick. Now, the poor woodcutter, what he can do? The wife fell sick, and the doctor prescribed that, in fever, you should treat her with chicken soup. So the woodcutter had the chicken, cut the chicken, and treat her wife with the chicken soup. Now his wife's wealth was deteriorating, and there were a lot of people from across the villages and other jungles came to see his wife. And so he had to feed them, and he had no other option but to kill the pig and feed the rest of his people who were coming to see his wife. And then, after a couple of months, a very unfortunate event happened. The woodcutter's wife passed away. And then, as a ritual, the woodcutter had to call all the around villagers to remember his wife's death. And then he had no other option but to kill the bull. So, dear friends, it's not always about my problem or your problem. When one person is at risk in a team, the entire team is in a risk. So however individual the problem it could be, never forget, it's everyone's problem. So we should help each other. In this case, it was a mouse trap. The mouse was supposed to get killed, but the people who had no idea will get killed, got killed. The chicken, the pig, and the bull. So always remember, when one person is at risk in your team, the entire team is at risk.